Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aditi. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe my channel if you like my content. Also, while subscribing, don't forget to press the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. If you have been watching my videos already, thanks a lot from the bottom of my heart. For today's video, I had ordered few of the makeup products from Amazon and most of them are under rupees 100. A few are above 100, in the range of 100 to 200, but I really felt of trying them, and hence in today's video I'll be showing and discussing about these products with you guys. Just a disclaimer, all the products are not branded, which is very obvious from the budget that we have selected for today's video, but they are really worth trying. Also, if you're a beginner and if you're learning makeup, these products will be perfect for you to learn without much investment, and also these products are travel friendly. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get started with today's makeup haul. Let's start with the product for which I was the most excited, which is this Wet n Wild glittery golden eyeshadow. This retailed for rupees 114, and I think this is a perfect shade for weddings and parties where we usually wear heavy outfits. Also, you can use a small quantity of it as a highlighter and it is going to give a very elegant look. This is a cream based eyeshadow and hence it doesn't spread much, because of which it will tend to stay for a longer time. I'm really looking forward for an occasion to try this out. Yes, I have also wore a small quantity of it in today's video, but I couldn't apply much because of the casual outfit that I am wearing. I'll be leaving the image right over here for you guys to check, but please keep in mind that I have applied a very small quantity on my base eyeshadow. So yeah, let's move on to the next product. Moving on to the next product, which is this lipstick from the company Biotic. This is a matte lipstick in the shade Twinkle Pink. This costed me rupees 93, which I think is a great deal for an organic brand like Biotic, which is silicone and cruelty free. Also, it was described that this will last up to 8 hours as it is pigmented with the organic smudge proof formula. I have tried a lot of products from this company, but I have never tried its lipstick, so I'm really looking forward to check its results. Yes, I did wear the same color in today's video and I think it's looking great. Also, it's not making my lips feel dry or chappy, for which I'm very happy. So yeah, let's move on with the next product. Moving on, the next product is this makeup finishing powder from the company Blue Heaven. Now, I have heard a lot about this brand and I really wanted to try some makeup product from this brand since a long time. This is the perfect opportunity that I got, wherein I bought this makeup powder for just rupees 68. Can you believe, guys, like a makeup powder for rupees 68 is the best deal I have ever heard, and it's my personal recommendation for you guys to try this out. I have also used the same powder in today's video and I can definitely say my face is not at all looking oily. This is an oil-free product giving a very natural look. Now, makeup powders are usually used to keep your makeup intact and hence it should give matte look, which is definitely being fulfilled by this product. This is in the shade Blush and it comes in the other two shades as well, so you can go and check for your perfect match. This can also be used as the only makeup product with a concealer maybe, and you are done with your makeup for some lazy days. So this is the outer packaging of this product and this is the actual packaging of the product. You also get one applicator along with it. So yeah, a very big thumbs up for this product. Next, I have bought two eyebrow pencils. Now, I love filling my eyebrows, that too with a brown color, because it gives very natural look. So the first one is from the company Insight. It's Insight Smudge Free Eyebrow Pencil in brown color. What I like the most about this product is it's not like a regular eyebrow pencil which needs sharpening. Rather, it's a roll-on pencil with a triangular lid. Also, it comes with the eyebrow brush on the other side, which really plays an important role in giving the final look. Since this is a smudge-free eyebrow pencil, it easily lasts for about 4 to 5 hours. So yes, it's a great deal. I have used the same pencil to fill my eyebrows for today's video, and I'll be leaving the pictures on the screen for you guys of how my eyebrows were looking before and after applying it. Next is this eyebrow pencil from the company Blue Heaven. This also is in brown color. It's a roll-on pencil again, but it doesn't have any eyebrow brush attached. This costed for rupees 67.5, which again is a great deal. This also is a smudge proof and a waterproof pencil which will easily last for about 12 hours. These pencils are very fragile, so you have to handle them with care, else there is a possibility that they might break. Next is the set of 2 makeup brushes. Now I must really appreciate the quality of the brush that you get for this price. So this is the powder brush while this is the foundation brush, and the combo costed me rupees 199, which I think is a great deal. Guys, the quality of the bristles and the finishing of the product is mind-blowing, and you should definitely try this out. This is a very innovative brush which will help to blend any of your makeup products very smoothly. The other one is the Huda Beauty brush. Now I'm not sure if this is the original Huda Beauty brush or not, but no matter what, this product is again very good. It comes with the synthetic bristles which will help to blend your foundation with so much of ease. So you can use this for any cream or liquid based product, but it might not work for the powdery product. But yes, a big thumbs up for these products. This is like a really value for money product, and definitely check them out. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Next we have one more product from the company Blue Heaven. So it's the Blue Heaven Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes. These wipes are filled with vitamin E and aloe vera, which will help you to remove your makeup easily without much residue. This can help you to remove eye makeup, face makeup, or even oil or dirt from your skin. So they can be used as wet wipes too. You get 30 wipes for rupees 82, which is a great deal. Also, there is this opening section on the top of it, so you just have to open this, pull a wipe and then close it. Now because of this, the remaining wipes will remain intact with the makeup cleansing product that they come with, and they won't become dry at all. Next is this makeup remover liquid from the company Maybelline New York. It is their Eye Plus Lip Makeup Remover, which efficiently removes waterproof and long-lasting makeup easily. This is a 40 ml bottle that you get for rupees 74, which is a great deal. Also, this product is dermatologically tested, so it is very safe to use on your skin. Now, I'm not sure if this can be used to remove face makeup because they have specifically mentioned about eye and lip makeup. Moving on, since we just saw makeup remover liquid, you will need cotton pads along with it to remove your makeup, which takes us to our next product, which are these cotton pads. So these are 50 round cotton pads that you get for rupees 75. Now I liked a lot of things about this product. To start with, it has a Ziploc design which will help to use and maintain them very easily. Also, these are lint-free pads, which means there won't be any fiber residue left after cleaning your skin. Also, edges of each of these cotton pads are stitched, and these are dual textured, which means you can use it to remove any of the makeup from your skin and also to apply any of the product on your skin. Also, these can be used to remove nail paints. And since these are extremely clean, soft and are made up of pure cotton, it can also be used for baby care purposes, for cleanliness purposes. So yes, these are definitely worth trying it. Let's talk about the last product for today's makeup haul, which is a combo of 3 different products. To start with, the first product is this very cute kit that has 7 different makeup brushes. So it comes with these 7 different makeup brushes for 7 purposes. So there is a lip brush, there is a face brush, shader brush, eyeshadow brush, foundation brush, angled eyeliner brush, and then eyeshades stick. I find this to be really very cute but helpful at the same time when it comes to travel. Also, these brushes are of real good quality and they are reusable and washable too. Moving on to the next product that we get in the combo is this makeup brush cleaner. So this is a silicone cleaner that you get. There is a hole over here where you can put 2 or 3 fingers maybe, hold it this way and then just rub your makeup brush to clean it thoroughly. This will help you to remove dirt from all the bristles, the leftover makeup from all the bristles very easily. So yes, this is really a very innovative product. And the last product that you get in the combo is this makeup sponge. This is again from the company Huda Beauty. This will help to blend your makeup very easily. So these are really worth trying products. That's all for today's video, guys. If you liked this video and if you found this video to be useful, please hit that big fat like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also, links to all the products will be in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. Meet you super soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe.